If you are an UPSC aspirant, do not miss this video because I'm going to tell you top 5 news from The Hindu newspaper of 13th May. So come, let's have a look. The first news is NEET UG 2026 paper cancelled after question paper leak. Now this becomes a very important news, especially for aspirants, because this shouldn't have happened and the paper has been cancelled because of a alleged paper leak. So again, it becomes highly important. Moving forward, we have pricey food dining out push retail inflation to a 13-month high of 3.5. So the retail inflation has increased to 3.5 and again becomes highly important for economy perspective. The third news is addressing India's electrical fire risks. Now, India has been facing numerous fires, we all know that, and a pre-dawn fire in Vivek Vihar has killed 9 people. This recorded electricity demand of 256 gigawatts and numerous air conditioners switching on simultaneously highlight a surge in power consumption and raise concerns over growing risk of electrical fires in India. So again, this has been increasing and this is also damaging the infrastructure as well as killing people. So this becomes highly important. Moving forward to the next news, we have China's foreign minister set to skip BRICS meeting in Delhi. Again, becomes highly important because India is heading BRICS this year and it is in Delhi this year, but China is skipping and just after the China and America meeting. So again, this becomes highly important for international relations. Lastly, we have experts say NTA needs to be structurally reformed as mix-ups reoccur. The agency faces charges of lax operational capacity, porous cyber security, poor crisis communication. Experts suggest transition to digital test and decentralization of admissions. So again, we all know NEET paper and other things are happening. So yes, this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.